Hello my followers and channel watchers. Today I have got this Xiaomi smart camera C300. Very good and still competitive camera for home use. And today I'm going to unbox it. Let's see how the box looks like and what is on it. So it says that it works with Google Home and with Amazon Alexa. It's 2K camera with 3 megapixels. Still very good for home needs. 1.4 large aperture for good view in dark light. Also full color in low light, and AI human detection. It works with Xiaomi application and you can watch what's happening in your home anytime from your phone or tablet. It is connectable to Wi-Fi. It has 360 degrees of panorama view. You can say also anything from your phone and you can hear it from the camera, and also it works backwards. So you hear sounds from the camera. Infrared night vision, and here are video codec. Okay, let's jump in the box. My beloved friend for unboxing. At first, here is box like this, and here is the camera. It's empty under the cam, and this is the camera, and you can scan QR code to connect your device to the application. And this is camera. You can reset it. Here is the charger, still old micro type USB charger. Let's check what is in the small box. Here is the attachment to the wall or other parts of your home. Here is the charging cable. It is working only from electricity, so you need to plug it in always when you want to use it. It's good that it's quite long cable, and there is no plug-in adapter, so you need your own. And here is some warranty information, and this is the manual. So this is everything that is in the box. If you want to see how to connect it and how it works, please stay to my channel and watch the next video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.